I need your advice on GE profile French door refrigerator problems.
The motors are loud.
Almost any refrigerator has loud components, from the compressor to the fans. It is standard to say you know something is wrong when the fridge is quiet.
We'll say its fans are louder than loud then.
It is in the fridge, not the bedroom, so that's not a major problem.
The water dispensers sometimes get stuck on dispense, causing a flood. And while that's rare, leaks are not.
How do you fix that?
You can replace the valve and hope it leaks less or turn off the water to the fridge.
That kind of defeats the purpose of the water dispenser in the door.
Their ice makers break a lot.
Consumer Reports gives lower reliability ratings for any fridge with an ice maker relative to the same models without an ice maker.
GE has a problem with its warranty, often charging for parts even though the warranty should cover both parts and labor.
A lot of appliance manufacturers tend to have problems honoring the warranty, blaming things on the user so they do not have to pay.
The parts crack often, and even if they do not, it is hard to clean all the odd curves in it.
Except that those curves and forms help you store things.
Except that it is not easy to stack the shelves so you can store tall items except in the door.
So I buy smaller containers.
That doesn't help you when the temperature control messes up, turning the fridge into a freezer.
That ruins the lettuce and the Diet Coke.
I can tell you're on a diet.
No, just put it in there to look like I am. I buy arugula before dinner parties to make the fridge look upscale.
Another problem the GE profile fridge has is leaks in the back of the fridge, different from the ice maker.
That's a problem if it leads to rust.
Mold more like it. And that's separate from fan and ice maker controls fixed by software upgrades a tech has to do, since it can't do updates itself to fix the problem.
Even an Xbox can do that.
At least with an Xbox, rebooting it fixes a lot of the control board errors. With a GE profile fridge, that's more often a failure, though you're free to try to unlock the control board so you can keep trying to change the settings or get ice.
I do not want an expensive fancy fridge that inconvenient.